In this tutorial I will show you how to make transparent effect in Photoshop. I have this image as background. Download link in description. Go to filter menu, blur, Gaussian blur. This amount is good for this image. Click OK. Go to file menu, choose place embedded. Select your image, click on place. Duplicate image. Go to image menu, adjustments, desaturate. Change blend mode to screen. Press Ctrl L to open levels adjustments layer. Follow the process. Choose brush and follow the process. Add a layer mask. Go to file menu, choose place embedded. Select your image, click on place. Choose brush and follow the process. Choose brush and follow the process. That's it. If there is any question you can ask in comment section.